Modern agriculture is becoming increasingly connected through technologies like GPS systems, smart sensors, automated irrigation, and precision farming equipment. While these innovations improve efficiency and productivity, they also create a growing environmental challenge: electronic waste. This presentation explores the recycling challenges associated with smart farm equipment and the solutions needed for a more sustainable agricultural future. Modern farms rely heavily on digital tools and automation. GPS-guided tractors, soil sensors, drones, and data-driven software help farmers improve crop management and increase efficiency. These technologies support higher productivity and better resource conservation. However, every smart farming system depends on electronic components such as batteries, processors, circuit boards, and communication modules. As agricultural technology expands, the amount of electronic waste generated by the farming industry continues to grow. Smart agricultural equipment is made from a complicated mix of plastics, metals, batteries, circuit boards, and rare earth materials. Many devices are tightly assembled and not designed for easy disassembly or recycling. Separating recyclable materials often requires specialized tools, technical expertise, and significant labor. This complexity increases recycling costs and makes proper disposal more challenging for both farmers and recycling facilities. Many smart farming devices rely on proprietary software and restricted access systems controlled by manufacturers. Even when hardware still functions properly, equipment may become unusable if software support ends or access permissions are removed. These software locks limit repair, refurbishment, and reuse opportunities. As a result, otherwise functional equipment may be discarded much sooner than necessary, contributing to growing agricultural e-waste. Most farms are located far from proper e-waste recycling facilities. Rural regions often lack convenient access to specialized electronics recycling services. Because transportation can be difficult and expensive, outdated electronics are frequently stored, dumped, buried, or burned improperly. Improving rural recycling programs and collection infrastructure will be essential for reducing agricultural electronic waste. Agricultural technology evolves quickly. New GPS systems, sensors, and automated tools are constantly being introduced with upgraded features and improved compatibility. Older equipment may become outdated within only a few years due to changing software platforms or discontinued support. Harsh environmental conditions also shorten the lifespan of agricultural electronics, leading to frequent replacements and increasing amounts of e-waste. Recycling smart farm equipment can be expensive and labor-intensive. Agricultural electronics often contain lower concentrations of valuable materials compared to consumer devices like smartphones or laptops. Because recycling these systems may generate limited financial returns, some facilities avoid processing agricultural electronics altogether. Low profitability and specialized processing requirements continue to limit recycling infrastructure growth within the agricultural sector. Many farmers may not fully understand the environmental risks associated with improper electronic waste disposal. While farming professionals are highly skilled in agricultural operations, e-waste management is not always a primary focus. Educational outreach, recycling guidance, and partnerships between environmental organizations and agricultural communities can help improve awareness and encourage responsible disposal practices. Manufacturers can improve sustainability by designing equipment that is easier to repair, disassemble, and recycle. Reducing software restrictions can help extend product lifespans and support refurbishment efforts. Expanded collection programs and rural recycling initiatives can also improve access to responsible disposal services. Licensed recyclers play a critical role by safely recovering valuable materials and preventing hazardous waste from harming the environment. Smart farming technology offers enormous benefits for agriculture, including improved efficiency, resource conservation, and increased productivity. However, sustainability also requires responsible management of outdated electronics. Repairing, reusing, refurbishing, and recycling equipment can significantly reduce environmental impact. By combining innovation with responsible recycling practices, the agricultural industry can continue advancing while protecting the environment for future generations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the challenges involved in recycling GPS systems, sensors, and smart farm equipment. As agriculture continues evolving through technology and innovation, responsible electronic waste management will become increasingly important for protecting both the environment and the future of farming. Creating sustainable recycling solutions requires awareness, collaboration, and action across the entire agricultural industry. For more information about responsible battery and electronics recycling solutions, please contact us today. Reach us by phone, email, or our website. Together, we can support smarter farming and a cleaner, more sustainable future through responsible electronics recycling.